Discipline feels hard for almost everyone. We look at disciplined people and assume they have something we don't. Stronger willpower, better genes. But this is a misunderstanding. Disciplined people don't have an easier path. They've just learned strategies that make the path more manageable. Discipline is not a personality trait you're born with. It's a skill you can build. Here are 10 practical ways to make discipline easier. Number 1. Shrink the task until it's impossible to resist. The main reason people struggle with discipline is that the task feels too big. Writing an article feels overwhelming. Exercising for an hour feels exhausting. The solution is to shrink the task until your brain stops resisting it. Don't commit to writing an article. Commit to writing one sentence. When the task is tiny, your brain has no reason to fight it. And once you start, you often continue. Number 2. Design your environment to make discipline easier. Willpower is limited. Environment is permanent. If your phone is next to your keyboard, you will check it. This is not weakness. This is human nature. Put your phone in another room while you work. Block distracting websites. Make the right behavior easy and the wrong behavior hard. Number 3. Tie discipline to identity, not outcomes. Don't say I need to write so I can grow an audience. Say I am the kind of person who writes every day. When discipline is about who you are rather than what you achieve, it becomes stable. Results come and go. Identity remains. Number 4. Use the 2-minute rule. When you're avoiding a task, commit to doing it for just 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you have full permission to stop. This works because starting is the hardest part. Once you're 2 minutes in, the resistance fades. Most of the time, you'll continue. Number 5. Stack new habits onto existing ones. Don't try to build a new habit in isolation. Attach it to something you already do every day. Want to start reading? Read 2 pages while you drink your morning coffee. The existing habit becomes the trigger for the new one. You don't need to remember. The coffee reminds you. Number 6. Track your streak visually. Put a calendar on your wall. Mark an X on every day you complete your habit. After a few days, you'll have a chain. After a few weeks, you won't want to break it. The chain becomes its own motivation. Number 7. Plan for low-energy days. Discipline fails when life gets hard. Know what your minimum looks like. On days when you're exhausted, you don't need to do your full routine. Just do the minimum. 1 sentence. 1 minute. The goal on hard days is not productivity. It's continuity. Number 8. Forgive yourself immediately for slips. You will miss days. The danger is not the missed day. The danger is the story you tell yourself afterward. I've ruined everything. That story is a lie. When you miss a day, forgive yourself immediately. Return the next day as if nothing happened. Number 9. Make discipline public. Tell a friend what you're committing to. When others know what you're trying to do, you're more likely to follow through. The desire to avoid letting others down can carry you through hard days. Number 10. Remember that discipline is a practice, not a destination. You don't become disciplined one day and stay that way forever. Discipline is a daily practice. Some days it flows easily. Other days it's a struggle. Both are normal. The goal is not to eliminate the struggle. The goal is to keep showing up despite it. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel. And if you want a practical guide to building habits that actually stick, my book 40 Atomic Habits for Online Success is available on Gumroad. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.